Hello wannabe mechanics! In this video we are going to show you how to install and activate door logo projectors on a Volkswagen Passat CC. This also applies to Volkswagen Passat MK5, MK6 and even Tiguan. It is a very simple operation that takes less than 15 minutes for each door and the end result is pretty cool. You won't need many tools, but a diagnostic software is mandatory to activate the lights. The projectors are very cheap, you can order them online and activating them is really easy, so there is no reason why you shouldn't do this job yourself instead of paying a specialized car shop.
Don't go anywhere guys, meet you back in the shop right after our short intro.
The tools you will be needing are a T30 Torx, a T20 Torx, a flathead screwdriver, an interior trim tool, a needle tip tool, a small screwdriver, a pair of cutting pliers, some electrical insulating tape, and some small cable ties. First, use the interior trim tool to remove the control console. Then remove the trim of the handle. Remove the connectors from the sockets of the console as shown. Remove these two T30 bolts. One was located here, and the other one here. There are two more T20 bolts underneath holding the door panel. One here, and one more here. Remove the two T20 bolts. On the right side of the door panel there's a small dowel. To remove the dowel, you have to push the core of the dowel inside with a narrow tip tool and then pull the dowel outside. Pry off the door panel starting from the lower part and then work your way around it. When the panel unsnaps, just pull it upwards. Remove the rod from the door handle latch. To take out this connector, you have to pull the pink lever. Cut the old zip tie. Insert a small screwdriver to remove the connector's housing. The pins are numbered on the casing from 1 to 16 on one side and 17 to 32 on the other side. Our positive wire, the red wire, will go to position 18 and ground, the brown wire, will go to position 19. For the back doors, positive goes to position 14 and ground goes to position 4. The pins will automatically lock inside the casing once you insert them. Wrap the wires in insulating tape and place the zip tie around the wiring just as it was before. Replace the reflex reflector with the logo projector. Insert the electrical connector in the projector, and it was that easy. It's time to put the door panel back and insert the main connector. Using VCDS, we can now see if the projector works. Press select and then 42 door electric driver. Coding 07. Long coding or coding helper. Click on the cell with B7. And then click the cell with bit 6 where there is also written Door Exit Warning Light installed. Exit the menu. Then press Do It and you will receive the message that the coding was accepted. The door light should work now. For the front passenger side, you select 52 door electric passenger and all other steps are the same. Now we can place everything back. Thread the two T30 bolts. Thread the two T20 bolts from underneath. And don't forget to insert the side dowel. Insert the connectors and place the control console back on the armrest. Place this plastic trim back and you are done. And this is the end result. Hope you liked our tutorial, many more coming up soon.
Thank you very much for watching. Use the comments section for any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest wannabe mechanic videos. Bye bye.